All right, let's start with this. If you're even slightly into superbikes, then the 2026 BMW S1000RR is one of those machines that instantly pulls you in. Because this isn't just a bike you ride, it's something you experience. And from the moment you lay eyes on it, you can tell BMW didn't come here to play safe. The design is sharp, aggressive, and clearly inspired by racing. Those iconic asymmetrical headlights, the aerodynamic winglets, and the sculpted bodywork all come together to create a look that feels fast even when the bike is parked. And for riders in the United States who appreciate both performance and presence, this bike definitely stands out in traffic as well as on the track. And when you start talking about performance, that's where the real story begins. Because under that aggressive body is a high-revving inline-four engine that delivers serious power. And what makes it special isn't just the numbers, it's how that power is delivered. It feels smooth but incredibly explosive when you push it, especially when you open the throttle on a straight highway or coming out of a corner. And the acceleration is something that genuinely puts a smile on your face every single time. But what really makes the 2026 S1000RR feel modern is the level of control you get with all that power, because BMW has packed this bike with advanced electronics that make a real difference in everyday riding. You've got multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and one of the smoothest quick shifters out there. And the way all these systems work together is what gives you confidence, whether you're riding aggressively or just cruising through the city. And for riders across the US who deal with different road conditions, that adaptability is a huge advantage. And then comes the handling, which is honestly one of the strongest points of this bike. The chassis feels incredibly precise, and when you lean into corners, the bike responds exactly the way you expect. It feels light, stable, and very predictable, and that's something you really appreciate when you're riding at higher speeds or pushing the bike on twisty roads. And the suspension setup adds to that confidence, absorbing bumps while still keeping the bike planted. And whether you're riding on smooth highways or slightly rough back roads, the bike feels composed. And when it comes to braking, the S1000RR delivers strong, consistent stopping power, giving you full control even when you're riding hard. And visually, the details are what elevate this bike even further. From the premium paint finish to the carbon fiber elements and the clean integration of every component, everything feels well thought out and built with precision. And that's something that riders in the US really value, especially those who are investing in a high-end machine like this. And even though this is clearly a performance-focused bike, BMW has still managed to make it somewhat practical for real-world use. The riding position is aggressive, but not completely uncomfortable. And for shorter rides or weekend sessions, it feels manageable. But make no mistake, this is still a machine that's built with performance as its main priority. And that's something you feel the moment you get on it. And of course, we can't ignore the sound, because the exhaust note on the S1000RR has that sharp, high-performance tone that adds to the whole experience. It's the kind of sound that lets people know this isn't just another bike passing by. And when you step back and look at everything the 2026 BMW S1000RR offers, it becomes clear that this is more than just a superbike. It's a complete package for riders who want speed, precision, and cutting-edge technology all in one. And whether you're hitting the track, riding through city streets, or enjoying an open highway, this bike delivers an experience that feels special every single time. And that's really what makes it stand out, because at the end of the day, it's not just about how fast a bike is, it's about how it makes you feel when you ride it. And the S1000RR definitely leaves a lasting impression.